Hello viewer, welcome all on our online class. Hope you are all well by the mercy of Allah. As we know, we are passing a critical situation for COVID-19. As a part of our studies, our today's topic is part of speech. As we know, part of speech plays an important role in English literature. Every meaningful sentence has a part of speech. Every sentence contains some part of speech. Without a part of speech, we can't write or read anything properly. So we have now discussed about this topic. Stay with me. Every meaningful word in a sentence is called part of speech. Every meaningful words in a sentence is called part of speech. In this regard, I can say that I have a pen. I have a pen. Every word is called part of speech, but it will be meaningful. According to the structure, there are 8 kinds of part of speech. They are noun. Noun means naming word. Name of a person, name of a place, name of a flame. Like noun, name of a person, Rahim, name of a thing, book, name of a animal, tiger, name of place, Dhaka, name of feelings, honesty, presence, etc. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word used instead of noun, like he, she, it, that, those, who. In this regard, we can make a sentence, I have a cow. The cow give us milk. Cow and cow. If we utter this, it will be more odd to hear. So we can say that I have a cow, it gives us milk. Here we use it is pronoun. Like he, she, it, that, those, who. These are pronoun. Pronoun must be used instead of noun. Adjective. Adjective means qualifying word regarding noun and pronoun. Adjective must be qualified noun and pronoun. Like good, bad, red, shy, gentle, honest, true, etc. In this regard, we can say that Rohim is a good boy. Good means Rohim's quality. Verb. Actioning words are called verb. It will denotes the function of noun or pronoun. Like go, do, write, play, can, must, be, may, etc. Preposition. Preposition is a word which denotes the place. Where is it or situated? Like father is out of home. The book is under the table. So we can say in on, of, out, for, from, by, to, about, etc. Then we have conjunction. Conjunction is a connecting word which connect some phrase, noun and pronoun, noun and noun, and, but, or, yet, still, etc. Interjection. Interjection is a word which denotes the strong feeling of us, of human being, such as alas, fie, lo, hurrah, bravo, etc. In this way, we can find out part of speech easily. Now, I would like to repeat this again. Noun: Rohim, book, tiger, Dhaka, honest, honesty, presence, etc. Pronoun: he, she, it, that, those, who. Adjective: good, bad, red, shy, gentle, honest, true, etc. Verb: go, do, write, play, can, must, be, may, etc. Adverb: slowly, quickly, nicely, badly, well, etc. Preposition: in, on, of, out, for, from, by, to, about, etc. Conjunction: and, but, or, yet, still, etc. Interjection: alas, fie, lo, hurrah, bravo, etc. In this way, we can find out part of speech. Thank you all. You are invited to watch our next videos. Until then, Allah Hafiz.